In today's fast-paced world, where environmental pollutants and respiratory challenges are on the rise, taking proactive steps to support lung health has become increasingly crucial. Achieving optimal respiratory function involves a multifaceted approach, and one key aspect is ensuring that you provide your body with the right vitamins. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the essential vitamins that play a pivotal role in clearing your lungs and promoting overall respiratory well-being. 1. Vitamin C, a potent lung protector. Widely recognized for its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C also proves to be a lung guardian. Acting as a powerful antioxidant, it helps combat oxidative stress in the lungs, reducing inflammation and supporting respiratory function. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C, ensuring you're equipped to face environmental challenges head-on. 2. Vitamin D, harnessing the power of sunshine for your lungs. Often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is essential for lung health. Research has shown that a deficiency in vitamin D is linked to respiratory issues and compromised lung function. Spending time outdoors to soak up natural sunlight and incorporating vitamin D-rich foods such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and eggs into your diet can contribute significantly to respiratory well-being. 3. Vitamin A, nourishing mucous membranes for respiratory defense. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of mucous membranes in the respiratory tract. These membranes act as a protective barrier, defending the lungs against infections and irritants. Foods rich in vitamin A, such as sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and kale, should be staples in your diet to support the body's natural defense mechanisms in the respiratory system. 4. Vitamin E, an anti-inflammatory ally for lung health. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, vitamin E is a valuable asset for lung health. It helps reduce inflammation in the airways and may alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions. Nuts, seeds, spinach, and broccoli are excellent dietary sources of vitamin E, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine to support lung clarity. 5. Vitamin B6, boosting lung metabolism. Vitamin B6 is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism, including the metabolism of amino acids crucial for lung function. Additionally, vitamin B6 supports the production of neurotransmitters that regulate breathing. Foods rich in vitamin B6, such as poultry, fish, bananas, and chickpeas, contribute to a healthy respiratory system. 6. Zinc, a vital mineral for immune support and lung health. While not a vitamin, zinc is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in supporting immune function and overall lung health. It aids in the production and function of immune cells, helping the body fight off respiratory infections. Include zinc-rich foods such as lean meats, legumes, nuts, and seeds in your diet to ensure optimal lung support. By incorporating these essential vitamins and minerals into your daily diet, you can significantly contribute to the health and clarity of your lungs. However, it's essential to remember that lung health is a holistic endeavor. In addition to proper nutrition, regular exercise, avoidance of smoking, and minimizing exposure to environmental pollutants are integral components of a comprehensive respiratory well-being strategy. Consult with healthcare professionals to ensure your nutrient intake aligns with your individual health needs, and take proactive steps towards breathing easy and enjoying optimal lung health.